The Advantages of Buying a Home versus Renting by Andrew Sesta of the Sesta sales team. The decision between buying a home and renting is one of the most significant financial choices individuals and families make. While renting can offer flexibility and lower upfront costs, buying a home provides a range of advantages that can lead to long-term financial stability and personal satisfaction. Here are the key benefits of purchasing a home versus renting. Financial benefits. When you buy a home, your monthly mortgage payments contribute to building equity. Over time, this equity can be a significant financial asset. Appreciation. Real estate generally appreciates over time. Owning a home allows you to benefit from the increase in property value. Tax benefits. Homeowners can take advantage of various tax deductions, including mortgage interest and property taxes, which can reduce taxable income. Fixed-rate mortgage stability. With a fixed-rate mortgage, your monthly principal and interest payments remain the same throughout the loan term, offering predictability and protection against rent increases. Personal and emotional benefits. Homeownership provides a sense of stability and security, allowing you to settle in a community and establish long-term roots. Freedom to personalize. As a homeowner, you have the freedom to renovate, decorate, and modify your home to suit your tastes and needs without needing landlord approval. Sense of community. Owning a home often leads to a stronger connection with the community, as homeowners are more likely to participate in local activities and events. Investment benefits. Monthly mortgage payments can be seen as a form of forced savings, helping you build wealth over time as you pay down the loan principal. Leverage. Real estate allows for leverage, meaning you can buy a property with a relatively small down payment and finance the rest, potentially increasing your return on investment. Potential rental income. Homeowners can generate additional income by renting out a part of their home or investing in rental properties. Long-term cost advantages. Owning a home can protect against inflation, as fixed mortgage payments remain constant while rent prices may increase over time. No rent increases. Homeowners are not subject to rent increases, which can help with long-term financial planning and stability. Psychological and social benefits. Buying a home is often viewed as a significant life milestone and a symbol of personal success and stability. Pride of ownership. Homeownership instills a sense of pride and accomplishment, enhancing overall life satisfaction. Conclusion. While renting may offer short-term flexibility and lower upfront costs, the long-term benefits of homeownership, including financial growth, stability, and personal satisfaction, make it an attractive option for many individuals and families. By building equity, taking advantage of tax benefits, and enjoying the freedom to personalize their living space, homeowners can achieve a sense of security and community that renting often cannot provide. Have any questions? If so, please contact Andrew Sesta today for your no-cost consultation.